Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello guys, this is Sandra here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here and I hope you're gonna enjoy your time. Everyone obviously filmed all their project pen intros, including the Partners in Crime project pen, but it's something that I participated in last year. So I still want to participate this year. This was started by Steph and her friend Darlene. So both the playlist and the links of those ladies will be down below. And it's about 3 to 6 products. So obviously I chose 6 because it's me. And it's a rolling style project pen. Bear with me till I get back into the hang of filming. I really enjoyed it last year. It just makes me concentrate more on the cream products. Obviously those expire a lot quicker. That's what I wanted to say. So it's good to focus on those before they go out of date. And if you hear some loud noises, it's really windy and right by the window. So sorry about that, but I like to film with natural light. So before I blabber on for a lot longer, I'm gonna just hop into the introduction, and obviously I'm 2 months behind everyone else, so I think I might try to upload my intro when everyone is uploading their second update, so at least I have the same update time as everyone else, just obviously a few updates behind, but you know what I mean. At least I'm still posting it at the same time. And yeah, hopefully you will still find me that way. But anyway, without blabbering on, let me show you the products that I chose. So the first 2 products that I want to work on, you will remember from last year if you followed my project pen. And the first one is the Tom Ford Cream Blush in the shade Pink Sand. Now this is an absolute love child of mine. I love this product. It's quite old, believe me, it's quite old, but it's still really good. It works so well, and I can show you where I was last year versus this is all I have left, which is still about half of the product, I would say, but obviously there's a huge pen there, and it's quite pigmented, but not too pigmented, so you can build it up. Oh my god, my hair is gonna drive me nuts. So you can still build it up, and as I mentioned, I love this. So I think that by the end of this year, when this project finishes, I can actually finish this. And yeah, I just want to make sure that I use all of it up because it's beautiful. The packaging is a pain in the bum because it gets really dirty and it's hard to photograph. But the product itself is amazing. Oh, also, by the way, if you want to hear about the reasoning behind why I was gone and see me creating this quite basic but still fun smoky eye, then I will link my previous video up in the cards and below in the description box, so you can be up to date if you want to on where I was, what I was doing, and why I'm back. Long story short, oh my god, can I talk? No. Long story short, there was a lot going on. But I missed YouTube, I missed you guys, here I am. So the second product that you see me flailing about is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfecting Liquid, and this is in the shade Champagne Pop. And they don't do these anymore, they have the new liquid highlighters, which I also have here. This is in the shade Creativity, which is really nice, but this is the older version. They are quite similar, but this has a bit of a scent to it and this one has a bit of skincare in it, I think. So I think I don't know if they stopped doing them yet, but they will be discontinued, so if I want these, pick it up now. So last year when I rolled it in the project, it was literally untouched, and well, now look at it, it's beautiful how much is gone. And I absolutely love this product, so depending on my mood, sometimes I whack it on before the foundation and then go for this. Otherwise I mix it in the foundation, and again other times I put on my foundation and then I dab this on top. I'm not wearing it today, by the way. But yeah, it's a lovely product, and because I have so little left, and again I have this one to take over its place, and I have like a few other liquid highlighters. I thought if I get this out of the way first, then I can enjoy those. And I have another liquid highlighter from Becca anyway, that's one of my favorites. You can see there's barely any left, so maybe I can roll it in after, because I don't think this should take me too long. Well, saying that, it will probably take me like half a year, but amazing product, so I'm gonna use that up. And while we talk about Becca, oh my god, no, there's another product from last year, hold on. Let me talk about that one first. Hot mess. But another product is the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Perky. And again, this is a product that when I rolled it in last year, it was literally untouched. And I rolled it in alongside the Paint Pot in Groundwork. Now, this got to the point where this stinks, so I'm throwing Groundwork away, unfortunately. But yeah, it stinks. I don't want it on my eye. This one, however, is still good. It doesn't smell, it performs well, and lasts a year because it was untouched. I just wanted to hit a pen on it. Which, look, it's a small pen, but I did. So what I want to do is that I think I'm going to remix it, flatten it. I will take a picture of it, and then I want to re-hit the pen in this. I think that's a good goal because there's still quite a lot of product in there. And I'm not going to use it up within a year like those, or like 10 months that we have left. Like, it's too much product. But I want to use it a bit more before it expires. I bought it quite a bit after Perky and also after Groundwork, and also used it a lot less. So yeah, I'm still happy to use it. And again, this doesn't smell. That one, on the other hand, stinks now when I open it. So I don't want it on my eyes. But this one, I want to work a bit more. And now we move on to the part that I didn't work on last year. So, while we're still on sort of Becca, not really, but I have this concealer. This is the Aqualuminous Concealer in the shade Light, and I have 3 of these. I'm sure you've seen me use it in many tutorials. I absolutely love this concealer, but I have all the 3, so these are the 3 lightest shades. So I have Porcelain, Fair, and a Light, and a Light is the darkest out of the 3, but it's also the oldest. And you can see, like, there's a fairly good amount gone. Like, you can see through the packaging. Now that my camera focuses, yeah, you can see through the packaging, but there's still a good amount in there. So I just wanna, I mean, I can literally scrape it and then it will look even emptier. So that shows you there's not a lot left in there, but I just want to make sure I use it before it goes bad. It still smells okay, but it's on the way out, and I don't have a lot left in there. I don't want to waste it. Now, because it's a bit dark, I know that I will have to mix it with lighter concealers, which is fine. I don't mind doing that. At least I know that I get some good use out of it. I don't think this will take me more than a few months, if that. But we'll see. Famous last words, obviously. And then the last 2 products are one from NARS, which is the lip gloss in the shade Gold Digger. So it's a mini lip gloss that I had for a long time, and again, I think I can sort of see through it. It's very hard to know, but because I can't really reach the size, so you'll just have to take my word for it. Hopefully you'll be able to see more on the sides when it gets empty. I don't think you can really see through it now, but I know there's not a lot left in there. It's only a mini. I had it for a long time, and I feel like this year will be hard for lip products, so if I include a mini, I stand a chance. And the last one is something that was included in one of my orders. It's a mini as well as the Clinique Skinny Stick in the shade Black, I think. I don't think it says the name. Oh, there we go. Slimming Black, and it's like one of those really slim eyeliners. Now it's tiny. I think that's literally all of the liner. You see that little nib? That's all it. So it shouldn't take me long. But I don't really use black eyeliner, so I thought, you know what, this is a good time to get a little one that's not cruelty free, at least out of my collection. And that's it. And now I can go and catch up with everyone else's because they already have an update up. So yeah, I'm a bit late. I know. But anyway, I'm gonna go now. I hope you have a lovely day, and let me know what you think of these products, and what's your favorite cream product? Let me know. I would be quite interested to know. I'm really getting back into the hang of cream products lately. I don't really know why, but yeah, let me know what is your favorite cream product. But for now, I'm gonna go. I hope you have a lovely day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Man, that feels good to see again. Okay, I'm going now. Bye!